Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to tag someone on Facebook Reels after posting. Alright, let's begin. So first of all, we will just go to the Facebook mobile application here. And after that, we will go into the profile icon, which is you can just go from here or you can just go from anywhere. There are so many options. Once you're here, just go to the Reel section here, right? And once you are in the Reel section, you can select any reel in which you want to tag people. So let me pause this. And once you are in through the Reel section, the bottom right side corner, you will see the three dot icon. So just click over there and you will find many options. Just click on the edit reel. And once you are here, you can just tag a person. You can just put the name by @ and you can just tag it here. So this is how you're going to add someone on Facebook Reel after posting. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe the channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks.